that could have been real, or it could have been a defense mechanism. Maybe she held back her love at times because she was afraid that I wouldn't reciprocate it. And then it was just like this negative feedback loop. To tell her no destroyed me. Like, it definitely destroyed me. It just, like, completely broke me to pieces. There was definitely a big part of me that wanted to say yes. I struggled with, at least in terms of envisioning Micah as, like, you know, a mother. I think for me it was, like, difficult for me to do. It's just sort of, just like a nurturing aspect, I think, that some people have. I don't know, but whenever I tried, I just know that I wasn't able to see it very clearly. I'm gonna go drown myself in the river. See you guys. And I had to be honest towards myself.
He's an idiot. I mean, literally.
You said that you found, like, your person.
He said he's in love with you.
Yeah.
Nobody dragged him into this place. That's annoying. Because you could have met somebody else, but no, he was in the way.
I don't know where to go from here. I hate that I'm still questioning it, you know.
It'll be all right. It'll be all right.
If you say so.
Today's, like, it's magical. I never envisioned this for myself. Gosh! My head is in the clouds. A train? No freaking way. Oh, that was meant to happen. Today is gonna be a good day. When I first woke up this morning, I was freaking out a little bit. I get in my way sometimes, and I overthink. And this is the day where I just need to trust my instincts. Because I fell in love in the pod before ever seeing this man. I got to know this man so well. Like, his heart is so good, and he cares about me so much.
Following what makes you happy. When you do that, I think good things are always going to come to you.
I'm just so inspired by you. I already feel as though I'm in love with you.
Tiffany Pennywell, will you marry me?
Yes! That's a freaking Lily Brett. I will.
I see the future so clearly with you.
Yo, this is a tear of joy.
I just want to let you know, Tiffany, that I do love you.
Oh my God! You're getting married!
Like, I'm strong, independent, happy, living my best life. It's not that I needed anyone. It's just that I wanted someone to share these beautiful experiences with. I wanted someone that I knew that I could trust their decisions and that I could lean on even when I feel completely broken.
I truly feel like we're like the perfect match. Hello? Tiffany?
It's the stress of everything. It's almost like I don't want a wedding. And I don't have to overthink it. Like, I just have to feel it. Trust my intuition. And it hasn't steered me wrong yet, because look at where I am. He still has to say I do. But look at where I am right now. Gosh, I can't believe this. But that's how I know he's right for me. He's bringing out all of these emotions.
If I know just one thing, and just one thing only.
Today's my wedding day. It feels good to say it, because I truly feel like I found the right person. Tiffany is everything that I've wanted. She's
feel that this was supposed to happen this way.
How you feeling? For real.
Good enough?
You got the golden chalice up there? I'm glad to hear that. You should be a little bit, it's a big day.
I mean, I feel ready.
Yeah.
I feel good. I mean, this has been a very unique and intense process.
Yeah, this color's not. Yeah,
but
good.